Hello everyone. As I promised that I'll give you a backup on revision and the little bit of syllabus that we were yet to cover. So far we had gone up to the topic of optics, that is refraction of light. Of course we had done reflection, and we had gone to refraction and Snell's law of refraction, refractive indices, and we had done several examples. Now the next bit was on lenses. So in general, lenses, a lens of course is obtained from a spherical glass. Imagine of a spherical glass. Spherical glass. If you chop off one part of the glass like that, you would obtain a piece of glass that resembles that shape. Now that kind of lens, you call it a convex lens. Now for the remaining part, if you did some chop, you'd get a type of glass that resembles that kind of shape. This is called a diverging, rather a concave lens. So you have got two types of lenses, two categories of lenses. One is the convex, convex lens is also called converging lens. Why converging? Is because if you made a beam of light, parallel beam of light to pass through the lens, the rays would converge at a point there called the focus, actually the principal focus or focal point. So that is why it is called a converging lens, because a beam of parallel rays of light converges or meet at a common point, which is the focal point or the principal focus. Now, on the other hand, the concave is also called diverging. Why diverging? Is because when a ray of light, consider just 3 rays of light to represent all the rays that are parallel. After passing through the lens, they spread outwards. So that's the divergence. And if you trace backwards, these rays seem to be coming from some point there. This point is called F, the principal focus, the focal point. So that's a diverging lens. It has got a virtual focus. Diverging lens, which is the concave, has a virtual focus. The meaning virtual focus, when you say it has a virtual focus, it means that the rays of light actually do not meet. They do not come from that point. It's an imaginary point where the rays of light seem to come from. I mean, if your eye was there, the eye would see as if these rays were coming from some point there, which is a principal focus. But it's not a real point. So virtual means not real. Virtual, this means not real. Not real because the rays of light only seem to come from that point, but the rays are actually coming from some other different point. So the principal focus of a convex lens is real, but that of the concave lens is not real. So that's the main difference, or that's the main characteristics of the two types of lenses. More lessons are on the way.